How to use ChatGPT on Discord. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. And if you're trying to use ChatGPT on your Discord server, this is how you do it. The very first thing you're going to have to do is simply go ahead and open up your Discord server. Go ahead and open up Discord. And if you want to integrate ChatGPT with your Discord, then all you have to do is simply go ahead and install a Discord bot. Head over to Discord bot list. So once you search for Discord bot list, you're going to have to go ahead and open up the website. And here you'll be able to find all kinds of bot that you can add on your Discord. Go ahead and search for ChatGPT. And once you've searched for it, hit enter, and then it will show you the available bots. Click on the first one, and then click on add bot. Click on invite ChatGPT Discord bot. Then it will open up your Discord server. Now you're going to have to choose which Discord server you want to add it in. So simply go ahead and select your server here and then keep scrolling. Click on continue. Authorize all of these options and confirm that you're not a robot. Click on I'm human. And once you verify this CAPTCHA, you should be able to add this to your Discord server. So let's head back to our Discord server. And then as you can see, the ChatGPT bot has been integrated on our Discord server. So all you have to do now is to get help, you can type in /help and it will show you all of the available commands of ChatGPT. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful to you. I'll see you on the next one.